Today I'm hankering for biscuits, and I want no-nonsense biscuits. Let's get to it. We are going to put some milk, then we are going to put a little oil, just 2 tablespoons, believe it or not, and then we're going to add just a little salt, some baking powder, and yes, just a tiny bit of sugar. You can leave that out, but we are ready for some biscuits. And you just mix that up, and then you're going to add flour up to 2 cups, but you don't add it all at one time. This is bread flour, but you do want to add it a little at a time because your dough, you just want to get it so it starts coming together. You don't have to knead it or anything like that. So I'm just going to add it a 1/4 cup at a time. There's 1/4, 2/4. I like it that I don't have to sift the flour first, and you don't want to overmix. You just want to get it together a little bit. Let's add some more because that is still soup and we want biscuit dough. This reminds me, my dad's mom, she started making biscuits when she was 7 years old. She just had self-rising flour. She had a little bit of oil, just a little bit of salt. Now see how this is already starting to come together? Now this is where I switch from a whisk to just a fork. So we've got 1, this will be 1 1/4. I'm not even going to add 2, I'm just going to add this in and see how it works. You see how that's coming together? I'm going to add just 1 more 1/4 cup. I'm not overworking this. If you overwork this dough, you're going to have dense biscuits, and we want nice, light biscuits. So I've got a pan that's just got a piece of parchment paper on it, and I'm just going to divide this into 6 or 7 biscuits. So I like to have a little bowl of flour so that when you're pulling off a little piece, it won't stick quite so much to your hand. Again, I am not working these biscuits. You can do a little bit of that if you want, or you can almost just drop them. If you start smashing this stuff around, oh, I want to get rid of all these creases, you're going to have dense biscuits. We've got our oven preheated to 350. We're going to let them go for 20 to 25 minutes. Beep, beep, beep. Look at how much they've risen. See how it's starting to get just a tiny bit brown? They're done. You do not want to overbake.
You didn't brush them with anything, but if you put a little bit of milk.
You could put milk, you could put egg wash, you could put butter. So they've got a little more brown on the bottom than on the top, but they're really light. I realized I hadn't even taken off my sunglasses. We came in, we were like, we're hungry, we want some biscuits.
You walked in the door about 35 minutes ago. Now you're pulling the hot, fresh baked biscuits out of the oven.
You can adjust the recipe, but again, we're too tempted if we have too many biscuits around.
These biscuits look like the perfect size to me.
They're great. If you want the recipe, go check it out at myfoodchannel.com.